Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram Reels with photos. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you need first to open up your Instagram and then go to this plus sign so you can start to create your Reels. Now, all we need to do is to create Reels from our content or from uh, our library. So here you will need just to select so you can hover and I'm just going to select all these contents or these pictures. I'm just going to click on next. Now we are syncing the clips and I'm just going to click on skip and basically now we can go to the timeline. So from here you can choose uh, let's just remove this one and I'm just going to click on this card, this clip, and from here we have all our photos. Now you can start extending the amount of each photo. So let's just click on this one. You can extend it, reduce the duration, whatever you like. So basically you will have the whole control over your content. So we can extend this more and you can start clicking here and as you can see you can extend our content etc. So now you can start click on tap to add audio and you can choose any audio or song from the library and basically you will need just to start controlling your uh, content, then go back. You can start adding clip, stickers, captions. You can also add text. You can start adding your voiceover. And of course, you can start mixing the volume of the content from songs and original clip, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.